The workers are protesting, they want an increment, but uJackson uthi cha, he won't even get a cent. uJackson umabokoboke and decides this time he makes peace with uZwelethhu. uZwelethhu agrees to meet with him. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on smoke and mirrors. So Jackson umabokoboke after the incident with uZwelethhu, and now he thinks that he must just make peace with Jackson. But uMartha thinks that is a weakness. Weak man. And then Pastor tells them that the workers are protesting, they want an increment because they saw that you bought a new car and a mansion. You motor for pipe and windows, automatic windows. But how happy, they're just jealous. I'm not going to entertain this nonsense. uMartha says you need to bring Sakile closer because he has a lot of power. So you need to bring him closer to you. And then Jackson meets with the workers. Sakile states their plea which they want an increment. So as with Jackson, you won't get a cent because in this economy there's no money. But kanjani because you just bought a new car and a mansion until you can't compare employees and an employer. And calls Usakile for a meeting. And he wants to bribe Usakile, saying he wants to give him a promotion as a manager and a corner office and a company car. Usakile is like, you can't bribe me. I'm not for sale. You're just dangling gold in front of me, thinking so. I don't want it. We're protesting to get an increment for all of us. And then Martha finds uZwelethhu and Jackson sitting together and tells them Jackson wants to meet with him. Oh yeah, but later on decides, okay, it's fine, I'll meet with him. And then Jackson must just thank Kandisa, he's still alive. So Martha, congratulations ahead, Kandisa is pregnant. Magolide meets with umngani kaMamiki, Leroy, to sort of get a feel with where is Mamiki kahle with his proposal. Mamiki feels with Magolide is poor, is just a lousy bartender. She wants a rich husband. She wants a rich husband, she wants a rich family, all the lavish things, cars, mansions and all that. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.